I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by softening the 502 glue so it can be removed without damage. First, make sure you are in a ventilated area and wearing nitrile gloves. Acetone fumes matter. Next, test a drop of pure acetone on an inconspicuous spot to confirm it won't harm the surface. Once done, dampen a cotton swab with acetone and hold it on the glue for 5 to 10 minutes to soak. This breaks the bond chemically and prepares the next step. Once the glue has softened, you remove it mechanically while protecting the substrate. Use a plastic scraper to lift edges gently. Do not force a single pull because that can crack or peel the surface. If the glue resists, reapply acetone in short bursts and wait 3 to 5 minutes to further weaken the bond. For textured areas, switch to a soft toothbrush or a dental pick to coax out residue. Work patiently, alternating solvent and gentle scraping. To finish, neutralize and restore the surface so it looks right again. Wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth to remove solvent traces, then inspect for clouding. If needed, apply a material-appropriate polish and buff lightly. Make sure to ventilate until odor dissipates. If something goes wrong, like solvent damage or a stuck part, stop, reassess, and test on a hidden area. For skin contact, soak in warm soapy water and do not peel. Seek medical help for burns or large exposures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.